Hello friends, welcome to our channel Metrology e-learning. In this video, we will learn about different parts and use of outside micrometer. Outside micrometer is also known as screw gauge. Micrometer used for accurate measurement of different components in mechanical engineering, machining as well as most mechanical trades. Micrometer was invented in 1638 by English astronomer cum mathematician William Gasolin. It is named as micrometer because you can get accurate measurement in microns. Micrometer comes in the range of 0 to 2000 mm. The range of this micrometer is 0 to 25 mm, which is marked on this micrometer. This micrometer can measure outside diameter of spherical, cylindrical or flat object. Now I will introduce different parts of micrometer. This she-shaped structure is known as frame. This one is anvil, which is fixed. This one is spindle, which is movable. This one is lock. This one is main scale. This one is circular scale. This is thimble and this one is ratchet. On main scale, there is 0 to 25 mm mark. Each lower division is equal to 1 mm. And between 1 mm there is one half division, so upper division equal to 0.5 mm, and there are 50 division on circular scale starting from 0 to 1 2 3 5 and up to 45 46 47 48 and 50. So there are 50 division on circular scale. Least count of micrometer is calculated as smallest division on main scale divided by total number of division on circular scale. For this micrometer, smallest division on main scale is 0.5 mm and total number of division on circular scale is 50. So the least count of this micrometer is 0.5 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.01 mm, which is marked on this micrometer. Here you might have questioned that if vernier caliper can used to measure outside dimension, then why to use micrometer? For use of vernier and different parts of vernier caliper, you can see our last video. Link of this video is given in description. Come to our point, why to use micrometer instead of vernier caliper. Here, the role of this ratchet comes in the picture. During any measurement, when we apply force on ratchet, at some point, click sound is heard, like this. That means enough force is applied. No need to apply more force on ratchet. If we apply more force, then reading will be incorrect. This feature is not available in vernier caliper. In vernier caliper, applied force is dependent on user's hand. That's why we use micrometer to get accurate reading in measurement. I will teach how to hold micrometer during measurement. Place this last two fingers inside this frame like this. Keep middle finger free and use index finger and thumb to move thimble like this. This way you can get better control on micrometer during measurement. Before any measurement, it is necessary to check zero of micrometer. To check zero, close the micrometer and apply force on ratchet till click sound is heard. Now check main scale 0, this one, and circular scale 0 are perfectly coincides or not. For this micrometer, it is perfectly coincides, so there is no zero error. If there is positive or negative zero error, it can be removed. I will make video on removal of zero error later on. Now comes to measurement part of micrometer. Let us measure thickness of this sheet using micrometer. Remove thimble and place the sheet inside anvil and spindle like this. Apply force using thimble and move ratchet till 1 or 2 click sound is heard. Now lock this micrometer and read on main scale, which is 1.5, 2 mm, and which mark on circular scale coincides with main scale. Here it is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9th division coincides with main scale. So the final reading calculated as main scale reading plus circular scale reading. Main scale reading is 2 mm. Circular scale reading is calculated as division which coincides with main scale multiplied by least count of micrometer. Here 9th division coincides with main scale and least count of this micrometer is 0.01. So circular scale reading is 9 multiplied by 0.01, which is 0.09. So the final reading is 2 plus 0.09. So the thickness of this sheet is 2.09 mm. We can verify thickness of the sheet using here. It is 2.09 mm. It was unknown piece for thickness measurement. Now let us measure thickness of this slip gauge. The slip gauge is of fixed 5.5 mm, which is marked on this slip. Now let us measure thickness of this slip gauge. Hold micrometer, move thimble and place slip gauge between anvil and spindle. Now apply force using ratchet till click sound is heard. Now read main scale 5 and other half division means 5.5, and on circular scale 0 division is coincides with main scale. So main scale reading is 5.5 plus vernier or circular scale reading is 0. So the final reading is 5.5 mm, which is exact size of this slip gauge. Now that's it for micrometer. I hope you have learned how to use micrometer and how to read micrometer. If you have any doubt, then comment us. I will definitely reply to your comments. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos on metrology.